boys and girls. Our story today is called Mouse Paint by Ellen Stoll Walsh. I hope you love this book as much as I do. Once there were 3 white mice on a white piece of paper. How many mice? Yes, 3. And where were they? Yes, on a white piece of paper. The cat couldn't find them. How come the cat couldn't find them? Yeah, because they blended in. They camouflage, that's a big fancy word, on that white piece of paper. One day, while the cat was asleep, the mice saw 3 jars of paint. 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 blue. How many jars of paint did they see? Yes, 3. What do you think they're going to do? Let's find out. Okay, here we go. They thought it was mouse paint. They climbed right in. Look at them. So silly. Then 1 was red, 1 was yellow, and 1 was blue. What happened to their white fur? Yes, it's colored now. They dripped puddles of paint onto the paper. The puddles look like fun. Puddles are fun, aren't they? The red mouse stepped into a yellow puddle and did a little dance. His feet stirred the yellow puddle until... Let's see what happened. Look, he cried. Red feet in a yellow puddle make orange. Look what happened. So his body was red, and he jumped into that yellow puddle and mixed and mixed and mixed, and look what happened. It turned orange. Then Yellow Mouse hopped into a blue puddle. His feet mixed and stirred and stirred and mixed until... What do you guys think is going to happen? Let's find out. Look down, said the red mouse and the blue mouse. Yellow feet in a blue puddle make green. Look at that. Did you think it was going to make green? So blue and yellow mixed together make green. Then the blue mouse jumped into a red puddle. He splashed and mixed and danced until... What do you think is going to happen? Okay, let's find out. Purple! They all shouted. Blue feet in a red puddle make purple. Blue and red mixed together make purple. But the paint on their fur got sticky and stiff. Why do you think that happened? Why do you think the paint on their fur got sticky and stiff? Yeah, as it dries, it gets kind of sticky and it gets harder. So they washed themselves down to a nice, soft white. Look what they're taking a bath in. What is that? Yeah, it's a cat water bowl. But now what color are they? Back to white. Let's see what happens. And painted on paper instead, they painted 1 part red. Do you remember at the beginning of the story, they were on a piece of paper, 3 white mice on a white piece of paper? Well, now they're painting the paper. What problem could happen if they paint the paper? Let's see what happens. They painted 1 part red and 1 part yellow and 1 part blue. They mixed red and yellow to paint an orange part. What do you think is going to happen next? Let's see. Yellow and blue to paint a green part. And blue and red to paint a purple part. Are you wondering anything? What are you wondering? Let's see what happens. But they left some white because of the cat. Were you wondering if, now the cat's going to see them? Because they're no longer 3 white mice on a white piece of paper, but they're 3 white mice with color behind them on the paper. But they were smart. They left 1 part white because of the cat. Why do you think they left 1 part white because of the cat? Do you think it's so the cat can't see them anymore? I think so too. All right, I hope you enjoyed this story. Mouse paint.